Welcome to an epic 3-part adventure based in Cromwell, with us taking on 3 days of jaw-dropping riding. Our first day, Thompsons Gorge, Leaning Rock. Day 2, Coalpit Road through to the Nevis. And the final day is Awakino Settle from Hills Creek. These 3 days are filled with all types of terrain and tracks paired with unforgettable scenery, with us reaching 1800 metres at one point. Wow. This video covers the first day of riding, starting at Lindis Crossing, riding up part of Thompsons Gorge, and exploring the north end of the Dunstan Range, ending up at Leaning Rock. Please note that we got permission from the landowners prior to this ride. We're riding with a great group of riders and some cool machines, including a side-by-side. This video is proudly supported by Powersports NZ. Links to your off-road gear and parts shop is in the description below. Now, let's jump into the adventure. We are with 7 of us in total, up the back of terrace somewhere, I think Thompsons Gorge it's called. It's not too bad so far. Ow, it's actually a bit tricky. There we go, perfect. Alrighty. There. I'll do it. That's pretty cool.
Wow. Amazing.
What a great track up high here, eh? I just love these open tops.
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
How's that 650 going?
That's great. Can't really fault it. I'm really glad I put these tyres on.
Yes, yes.
Put them on yesterday.
Yes, good.
So much nicer.
Good decision.
Yeah. Especially coming up these hills and things.
Yeah. Doing good?
As soon as I saw it, it's like too late.
Yeah.
That was peak speed.
Yeah.
So that's all for this video. Be sure to check out the second and third part of the series when they come out, where we tackle Coalpit Road through to the Nevis and the Awakino saddle. Thanks to Powersports NZ for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out their parts and gear shop for motorbikes and UTVs in the description below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you in the next one.